Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make a homemade mask which is very effective, and it has 8 layers also, and which is easy to make also. So let's get started. So all you need is a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. So take a handkerchief, fold it. It is damn easy to make. Apply rubber bands on the each corner of this handkerchief with same distance. Okay, once you did this, then fold them inside and overlap them. And overlap it. Then here you go with the 8 layer. That's 1, and just folded layer 2, and that's 2 layers. So from both the sides, and your mask is ready to save you from the virus. Thank you for watching.